Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn the animals and their babies. This is a cat. The baby of cat name is kitten. What we call? Kitten. Duck. It's a mother duck. The baby name of duck is duckling. It's a duckling. This is a lion. What's this? This is a lion. The baby name of lion is cub. What's this? This is a cub. Dog. Do you know? This is a dog. And the name of its baby is puppy. What's the name? Puppy. We call it puppy. This is a horse. This is a horse and its baby name is foal. This is a cow and the baby name of cow is calf. Calf. Cat, kitten, duck, duckling, lion, cub, dog, puppy, horse, foal, and cow, calf. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.